Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw the bee. First of all, let's start with the background, so we don't have to spend too much time on glitter. Try to make it less clear so the focus will be on the bee itself, not on the background. I'm gonna draw something like yellow flower and blue sky, something like that. You can see I just a little bit cleared it up because I missed a little bit, but that's okay. We don't need it perfect. Now I add a second layer and let's start drawing bee silhouette. Like this is the body, leg, the waist, the head, something like that. It can be messy when you start, but when you will feel it, it will be complete. Don't worry about that. It's always gonna be messy from the start. Now I start drawing something like strips on the bee's body. You can see I draw them like hair because it's always like something hairy. Their body is a little bit hairy. Like that, a little bit on the head. Let's make the eye darker because maybe like here, black, because they have so dark eyes. Then legs. I didn't count, so let's just pretend it's right. Something like this. Let's connect these legs. But you can see that I colored it with the thin brush. That's why it always have these spots where there's no color. But it's good, it's nice because you will see the result at the end. Now I'm adding yellow under this layer. Under this, you can see it already looks like bee. But we're gonna touch this up a little bit more. Saying hello to Balila in this vid. Also, do not forget about the wings. And you can see that I am adding now more bright yellow color and adding some darker spots, but the same color, just different shades. Like this, a little bit like this. Now I'm gonna add lighter color on this layer, not under this layer, but on. You can see that I just adding near the darkest spots, like this. But always have this, they always have this pattern, like hair pattern, you know? Like that, a little bit on the head. Don't forget about the head. Something like this, a little bit darker because I want to show that this is hairy. Bee is hairy. Also, the legs is hairy. Now we're gonna add highlight on the eye with the white color. With the white paint. Something like this. And now I can see that we have only 40 seconds. So I wanna add more white hair on the bee, and let's make the background a little bit darker because you know, I don't know why, but I can't see bee with this light background. Let's make a little bit dark blue like that. And that's it. It can be messy, but that's okay. Now let's rate these bees. Sometimes my server is not working. Okay, Minecraft bee. I see, not bad. This one is not bad also. Something like caricature. My bee. Our. Oh, Maya bee. I love this cartoon. Okay, again, Minecraft bees. And the winners are... we didn't win. But that's okay, guys. I think you like this. I will hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comments. And that's it. Give me like if you want, subscribe, and see you later in my other videos. Bye!